اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم السلام علیکم and welcome to Urdu Master. Today we have two topics. First topic is about sentence structure in Urdu and second topic is transforming sentences from positive to interrogative and negative. So stay tuned. Sentence structure in Urdu is very easy. First subject, then object and then verb. That's structure. Subject, object, verb. Have example. मैं सेब खाता हूँ. I eat apple. मैं is subject, means me. सेब means apple, that's object. And खाता हूँ is verb. That means I eat apple. Now transforming from positive to negative and then interrogative. Let's start. मैं अमरीकी हूँ is a simple present tense. If we want to change it into negative, we just add नहीं before verb. Let's try. मैं अमरीकी नहीं हूँ. And if we want to change, we want to make it interrogative. We just add kya in start of sentence. Let's try. क्या मैं अमरीकी हूँ? Am I American? Now look at few more examples. मैं बरतानवी हूँ. मैं बरतानवी नहीं हूँ. क्या मैं बरतानवी हूँ? मैं एक शागिर्द हूँ. I am a student. Then negative sentence. I am not a student. मैं शागिर्द नहीं हूँ. Now let's change it to interrogative. Am I a student? क्या मैं शागिर्द हूँ? Now last example. We are married. हम शादीशुदा हैं. Now negative. We are not married. हम शादीशुदा नहीं हैं. Now interrogative. Are we married? क्या हम शादीशुदा हैं? It was that easy. Now you know two things. First, basic sentence structure of Urdu is subject plus object plus verb. And second thing, if you want to change a simple present tense into negative, we just add nahi before verb. And if we want to change simple present tense into interrogative, we add kya before sentence. See you in next lesson. Till then, bye bye, take care and Allah Hafiz.